Another amazing recipe for the King Oyster Mushroom is when we take a thick piece of the mushroom, saute it until lightly brown and cooked through, serve it over a thinly sliced bed of carrots that's not plain, then top it with a ginger citrus sauce. Totally amazing, looks amazing. Let's start cooking. Right, let's grate some ginger and mandolin, 4 full slices of carrots. First, we need to make the carrots, and we want to just cook them in a little water and oil to get some flavor and get them semi-cooked. Put half of the ginger in the water along with a 1/4 teaspoon of pepper flakes. Now add the water and put it on the stove top, and you want to bring it to a boil. Once it gets to a boil, cover it and take it off the heat and let it finish cooking on its own. Now, let's cook the mushroom. Now, what we want to do is add some oil to the pan and put the mushroom slice in there. And remember, you want at least 1.5 inches thick. And then we want to slowly saute it until it's brown and cooked through. Then I'm going to add this to the carrots. I forgot. Salt and pepper the mushroom at this time. Make sure you recover to keep the heat in the carrots and the mushrooms. Now let's make that amazing orange ginger sauce. It is delicious. Now, you could use orange juice with the lemon zest, but if you want more of a lemony taste, you can mix it. Do half orange juice, half lemon juice, but still add the lemon zest. Now on medium heat, we want to add the rest of the grated ginger and then the lemon zest as I talked about. Now, those that have never used rice vinegar, you're really missing out. This really adds some flavor. And this is another time that you could put a little drizzle of honey if you wanted in this sauce. After it's reduced, add the scallions and take it off the heat. All right, let's plate. Now I use a beautiful long plate and I put this from the middle over. That way I have room for a salad on the side. Okay, so the carrots go on first. Then put the mushroom on top of the end of the carrots, if that makes sense. And drizzle most of the sauce over the mushroom, but also on the carrots as well. It is so pretty. Okay, this is a beautiful, and I would be very proud to serve this for anybody that comes over to eat. And it's really simple. It's a few steps as you saw, but it is so delicious. But check out my other recipes. And please tell all your friends about our channel and subscribe.